I'm Matt Bentley. I'm an artist. I use a lot of transfers, acrylics, oil, resins, and spray paint. It just basically communicates a mood that I'm going through or things that I'm inspired by. I always listen to music when I do art. Just mix it up, whether it be rock and roll, hip hop, whatever. They actually have a big art culture in Indonesia, and it's a lot of bright colors and interesting design, so definitely inspired me. I'd love to go international. I would love to have a gallery in Paris. It's like an art capital. I got a chance to go there and live some of the best art in the world and seen some of the coolest pieces ever there, so for my art to be there, that'd mean a lot to me. This is actually the first event that I've ever done with Raw, but so far so good, you know. Publicity is always a good thing, and just get your name and art out there, so good thing. I'm Matt Bentley and I'm a Raw artist.